Welcome, fellow nature enthusiasts, to our channel where we uncover the incredible benefits of one of nature's hidden gems, Shilajit. This potent resin, steeped in ancient Ayurvedic wisdom, holds the key to unlocking a world of health and wellness like never before. Originating from the heart of the Himalayas, Shilajit has been revered for centuries for its remarkable properties. In Ayurveda and traditional medicine, it is considered a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting a rich mineral composition that contributes to overall health in ways we are only beginning to understand. One of the most striking benefits of Shilajit is its ability to boost energy levels naturally. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance or simply seeking a daily pick-me-up, Shilajit has been shown to provide sustained energy without the crash associated with caffeine or other stimulants. But the benefits of Shilajit don't stop there. This miraculous resin also supports brain function and mental clarity, making it a valuable ally in our fast-paced, information-saturated world. Research findings and user testimonials alike attest to its cognitive-enhancing effects, helping us stay sharp and focused throughout the day. In addition to its energy-boosting and cognitive-enhancing properties, Shilajit also offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. By reducing inflammation and fighting oxidative stress, Shilajit has the potential to promote longevity and overall vitality, keeping us feeling vibrant and youthful. Furthermore, Shilajit strengthens the immune system, thanks to its adaptogenic properties and stress-relieving benefits. By incorporating Shilajit into your daily routine, you can fortify your body's defenses and enhance your resilience against illness and environmental stressors. So, how can you incorporate Shilajit into your wellness regimen? We recommend starting with a small dosage and gradually increasing as needed. Whether you choose to take it in its pure resin form or mix it into your favorite beverage, the key is consistency to experience the full benefits of Shilajit. In conclusion, Shilajit is truly nature's gift to humanity, offering a myriad of health advantages that can revolutionize your well-being. We encourage you to explore incorporating Shilajit into your daily routine and unlock its full potential. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on natural health and wellness. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the incredible benefits of Shilajit.